Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are well. In our last video we discussed what is marketing. You can watch it linked in I button. Today we are excited to bring you a new video all about the world of digital marketing. Whether you are a small business owner, a marketer, or just curious about the world of digital marketing, this video is for you. In this video, we will be discussing what is digital marketing and how it can help your business reach new heights. We will discuss different digital channels available such as social media, emails, search engine optimization, and how you can use them to promote your business, brand or service. We will talk about some benefits of digital marketing such as brand awareness, target audience. Finally, we will tell you some drawbacks of digital marketing. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Let's get started with what is digital marketing actually is. Well, digital marketing is the process of promoting products or services through electronic media, such as the internet, social media, and mobile devices. One of the most important aspects of digital marketing is the use of search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization involves optimizing a website or online presence to rank higher in search engine results, making it more likely that potential customers will find it. The use of digital channels has become increasingly important in today's business world, as more and more consumers are turning to the internet to research products and make purchasing decisions. Techniques used in SEO include using keywords in website content and meta tags, building backlinks, and creating high-quality content that is relevant to the target audience. Second most powerful full component of digital marketing is social media marketing. Yes, most common and effective way to deliver your message to your target audience is through social media marketing. There are 4.14 billion active users of social media platforms worldwide. That's why social media marketing is key part of digital marketing. Platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok allow businesses to connect with their audience, share content, and build brand awareness. Social media advertising is also an effective way to reach a target audience, as it allows businesses to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Third is email marketing. Do you know more than 1,49,513 emails are sent per minute? This means that the number of emails sent each day is 21,52,98,720. This shows how email marketing play important role in digital marketing. This involves sending promotional emails to a list of subscribers, providing them with information about new products, sales, and other promotions. Email marketing campaigns can be targeted to specific segments of a customer base and can be used to build relationships with customers and encourage repeat business. Number 4. Content marketing. Content marketing is another important aspect of digital marketing. In a recent research, it's show 81% business use content marketing. This involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a target audience. The goal of content marketing is to drive profitable customer action by educating and informing the target audience. I hope you understand what is digital marketing and its main components. Now let's find out some benefits of digital marketing. Cost-effective. Digital marketing is often more cost-effective than traditional marketing methods, such as print or television advertising. With digital marketing, businesses can target specific demographics and reach a large audience without breaking the bank. Measurable. Digital marketing campaigns are easy to track and measure, allowing businesses to see exactly which tactics are working and which aren't. This allows them to adjust their strategies in real time and get the best return on investment. Wider reach. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach a global audience with ease. The internet has no boundaries, and digital marketing campaigns can reach customers all around the world. Increased engagement. Digital marketing allows for two-way communication between businesses and customers, making it easier to build relationships and increase engagement. Platforms such as social media and email marketing are great for engaging with customers. Better targeting. Digital marketing allows businesses to target specific demographics and interests, making it easier to reach the right audience with the right message. Platforms such as social media advertising and Google AdWords allow businesses to target specific groups of people based on their age, location, and interests. Increased brand awareness. Digital marketing can increase brand awareness by making it easier for businesses to reach a large audience. Platforms such as social media and content marketing can be used to build brand awareness and drive traffic to a website or online store. Increased ROI. Digital marketing can increase return on investment by making it easier for businesses to reach the right audience with the right message. Measurable data and targeting techniques can help businesses to optimize their campaigns and get the best return on investment. As we know, technology makes our life easier, but we pay a lot for this. Same case we can see in digital marketing, where digital marketing is great source to deliver our message in fastest way. It's also have some drawbacks. Let's find out some drawbacks of digital marketing. Overcrowded digital space. With more and more businesses turning to digital marketing, the digital space has become increasingly crowded, making it harder for businesses to stand out and get noticed. Ad fatigue. With an increase in digital advertising, customers have become more immune to online advertisements, making it harder for businesses to get their message across. Privacy concerns. As digital marketing relies heavily on data collection, businesses must be careful to protect customer privacy and avoid breaking any laws or regulations. Constant change. Digital marketing is a rapidly changing field, with new technologies and platforms emerging all the time. This means that businesses need to stay up to date with the latest trends and changes in order to remain competitive. Dependence on technology. Digital marketing relies heavily on technology, and if something goes wrong with a website or other digital platform, it can have a significant impact on a business's ability to reach its target audience. Measurement and ROI. Measuring the ROI of digital marketing can be difficult, and it can be hard to know which tactics are working and which aren't. This can make it difficult for businesses to optimize their campaigns and get the best return on investment. Limited personal touch. Digital marketing is impersonal. It can be harder to build personal relationships with customers and provide the same level of customer service as traditional marketing methods. In conclusion, digital marketing is a comprehensive approach that encompasses various tactics and techniques to reach and engage with customers through digital channels. Businesses can use a combination of SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing to reach their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. We hope this video has provided you with some insight of digital marketing and given you the motivation to start using it to promote your business. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.